In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you register your iPhone now for iOS 27 beta version. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, then navigate to the website beta.apple.com. Provide your Apple ID's credentials and log in. You'll be directed to this kind of page. Navigate to iOS tab, then scroll down. Click on the option Enroll your iOS device. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Here you're going to find the option of Open Beta Updates. Click on that. You'll be directed to Software Update page in your device settings. Here you will find two options, Public Beta and Developer Beta. Let's understand the difference between Developer and Public Beta. The Developer Beta comes out first and is mainly for testing early builds, which means it may contain bugs and performance issues, while the Public Beta arrives about a month later and is more stable for everyday use. If you are already on a previous beta like iOS 26.6 beta, you don't need to do anything special. If you have an update to this, you'll need to update it. Then navigate to this page. On June 8, you should see iOS 27 Developer Beta appear automatically. Once it appears, you can download and install it. So this way you can register your iPhone for iOS 27 Beta. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.